After using that Groundhog Max that I put onto my four-wheeler, it plowed it up pretty good, but it left some great big divots, and it's just not very smooth, and the last thing I want to do is rake this whole area by hand and up on that hill as well. So I spoke to a friend of mine, a rancher from Montana, and he suggested I use my tractor chains and hook them up to my four-wheeler, and I added this fence post and wired them on there so that I'll have some weight and just hold those chains apart. So we'll see how this works. I'm just trying to save my back and my arms and my whole body from raking this whole area. So yeah, we'll see how it works. So it is working pretty good. You can see where I've smoothed it out over there, and just dragging that behind me, you can see that it's doing a great job. It's important to be able to be innovative with what you have. That little method worked really well. It's all smoothed out, and hopefully most of the seeds are covered now. And I picked up some of the knapweed when it was rolling along. Great little invention. And this is what I used. I just used a little hand seeder. I don't know what brand this one is. Let's see. Of course, it's the Whiz. Yeah, that worked really well too. And of course, then came the rain. Thank you, rain. We always love seeing you show up. Now I know how to get it to happen. I just hook up the hose and the sprinkler. If you want to see how my little meadow turns out with some clover and some grasses, like and subscribe. It really helps my little amateur new channel get going. I appreciate it.